Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about proc export, and the definition is to export the data from the SAS environment to outside environment. Simply, if you have a data set in your work library or any other library in your SAS environment, export that file into as a Excel sheet, as a text document. And the syntax is proc export data equals to dataset name, out file equals to file location or file path, and dbms equals to dbms type. As same as the dbms type in a proc import, same as a export also. For that, first file type is an Excel. If the extension is XLS or XLSX, then the DBS type will be XLS or XLSX. Now first we import some simple data to the outside environment, then how it will be. Proc export and data equals to SAS help.class. In the SAS help, we have some class dataset. Now we are export that dataset into outside environment as an Excel file. Now I just give a location here and I just give some random location to export the data, and dbms is an XLSX and run. Got it? Then what is the difference between import and export here? In the import we have a data file, but in the export we have a out file, and in the import we have a out. In the export we have a data. That is the difference here. Now we are run this code. Before opening data set, log is clear, and we are opening. This is an export one. This is the export to one. We can export the data from the SAS environment to the outside environment by using proc export, and the data file name should be mentioned here. If whatever name you given it here, that will be the file name at the outside. Now how we export a data to the text format? File type, here already you know that dbms extensions here, and if the delimiter and dbms is the DLM, and if the CSV file, then the dbms will be CSV, and if the tab file, then the dbms should be tab. And now here, after creating a file at the outside, if you want to separate it with the comma, then we use the dbms as a CSV. If you want to separate with any delimiter, you just use a DLM. Now we import the data from the SAS environment to outside as a text file. Then how it will be? Proc export data equals to same SAS help.class, and out file I give some random location, and I want to convert as a text file. That's why I give a txt. Before I want to convert as an Excel file, that's why I gave an extension of Excel. So now I want to convert as a text, that's why I give a extension of text document. And dbms is a CSV. What does it mean? I want data set by the comma separated values, and delimiter is a comma, and log export. And in a previous one we just export with a comma, and like that you can with any delimiter. Okay, now we are giving some random delimiter here, and then how it will be? Proc export data equals to SAS help.class, and export, I am exporting the same data set here, and out file is just a file path, and I need a text file, that's why I give a txt, and the file name is an export3, and delimiter is a star. I just give some random delimiter, and dbms, you know that DLM. If you use any delimiter, then the dbms should be DLM. If you want to values separated by the comma, then you use a CSV. Now I am just applying with a star, nothing but any of the delimiter, then the log is clear. Now we are checking data is created or not. Export 3. Okay, here data is created with the delimiter star between the values. Like this, you can export the data by any text format with any delimiter. Instead of using right again and again this file path, we just give a name to it. And if you give a name once, and you can use it number of times in a proc export, then how it will be? And I just giving a name to the path here. This is a path, and this is a name of that path, and this is the file name. file name, name of the path and the path. And I'm just giving text to the some text, one text format and one is a Excel format. Now we are implementing it. First we apply in an Excel, then how it will be. Proc export, data is the same SAS helper, and out file equals EXXL, and here EXXL is nothing but what? This path location. Then what is that? 1A here. Okay, I am just giving a 1A to the export to file. Then how it will be, we are just check. DBMS is an XLXX same. Now we are running. Log is clear, export successfully. And now what is that? Export 1A. We are converting as a what? Export 1A here, nothing but what? One Excel format. Yes, it is created successfully, and we are just mentioned what is the difference here, and everything is same. Instead of using a file, I am just giving name to that path, and simply I mention the path here. Okay, now I am just giving file path to text format, then how it will be in the text. And proc export data is the same, SAS helper class. Out file is equals to text. Then what does it mean? Instead of writing this, I am just giving this. And what is the file name? Export to 2A, and that to text format. Then how it will be. And delimiter is a star. I want to separate with a star. But the Excel no need of delimiter. Only for the text format only it is the need of delimiter here. Now we are running this code. Log is clear, successfully created. Now we are checking it. Export to A. If you run this code for the second time, it shows the one note. Already we export this. Now we are running this again. Then what does it shows? The export cancel. Why? Because it's a default not replace the existing data. What it shows is an already exist. Why? Because we already created export to. But if you just run, we didn't change. We are just run this code. If you run the code for the second time, it doesn't replace. At that situation, we have to mention replace manually. Now we are running this successfully created. Like this, if you run for the second time or you did any changes in a file, you need to mention the replace option. At that situation only you get the data replaced. And for now, if you understand my class, just try to apply filter condition in the export files. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.